You think?
Sarah, honey, I think you should lay down and get some sleep.
I'm not tired.
Well, pretend that you're tired.
Then can I pretend to sleep?
Yeah, whatever. Jesus.
Cool. Breath.
We'll get off at the next stop.
Now, don't you even think about getting off this train, mocoso.
Only people gonna be getting off this here train gonna be doing it in body bags.
How you sound? This is our train.
Yeah, well, your train is rolling in our turf.
So what?
So as soon as we cross Devereaux Street, you and your girl see is dead meat.
Woo! We're gonna run now. They're gonna kill each other.
They kill us doing it.
There goes Jefferson.
Here goes Jackson.
Here comes Devereaux.
Mete mano.
Oh, excuse me. I couldn't help but notice that you two groups of people are about to start killing each other, and I was wondering if you could please just wait on that until we could get off the train.
Sit down, bitch.
Bitch, sit down.
Are you gonna let him get away with that? Wait a minute.
I was kidding.
That was really rude. Take it back, apologize.
Brad, stay out of this.
He called you a bitch.
Brad, shut up!
Hey, listen to the bitch, Brad.
Watch your mouth. You big city scum sucker.
You just can't keep your foot out your mouth, can you, boy? Let me help. Don't fuck with the lords of hell.
Don't fuck with the babysitter.
All right, baby, chill out. Shit. Girls crazy.
Are you okay?
I don't know. I can't feel anything. Don't touch it. It could get infected. Jeez, he could get anything. Tetanus, lockjaw, rabies, scabies, emphysema.
Well, then don't let him walk on it. Come on, pick him up.
There you are. One stitch, all better.
One stitch?
Oh, yes, one stitch.
My only shot at ever being in a gang fight, and all I get is one stitch. Chris is gonna think I'm a total failure.
Dr. Nukebang, the guy with the stab wounds just died.
Oh, dear.
Oh, doctor, we're looking for a friend.
Your friend? Which one is he?
He's the one with the stab wound.
Oh, dear.
What?
I'm sorry. Your friend is dead.
Dead?
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 Oh, Chris!
Sarah, what happened?